Hey friends, we've started a new month. We're at day 31. I'm Alice Murray. Welcome to my channel, Murr-Made Designs, where I am attempting to show you 365 days of sewing makes. And we're at day 31. We've got a whole month under our belt. And today, what I want to show you is, I really like this, New Look 6500. 6500. This is a 2020 release, and it is just this darling little cute summer dress made for wovens. For cotton is a recommended fabric. You can have sleeves, you can have some ruffles on your sleeves. It comes with pockets. It comes with a zipper, and I actually put the zipper in this time. I didn't think I could wiggle in it. It's kind of straight. So this is my version. I just love this dress. I think it is so cute. I made it out of this, it's called geometric eyelet material, and the color is called sky blue. And I got it from a Canadian online fabric store called Blackbird. And I think it's just beautiful. I just love this dress. It has bust darts, pockets, nice big square pockets. I put the zipper in the back, did the longer sleeve version. I have a feeling that you will be seeing this pattern again. I think it's awesome. And that is New Look 6500. It's a real winner in my books. Didn't have a single problem making it. It just has it has facings on the collar, machine finished hems, and everything went together just super easy. So I'd say that one's a real winner. And Blackbird Fabrics is another Canadian online store. Does a great job. Today, what I'm thankful for, I am not thankful for COVID. Not thankful for it at all. But I am, if I try hard to find a silver lining in it, definitely having more time to, do the things that we put off. And, it certainly gave me an opportunity to really do some sewing and really find out if how much I liked it. And I liked it. So I am grateful to have some time to work on some things. So I would be very interested to hear what you're grateful for today. And I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to share this video, to like this video. I would appreciate it very much. And I hope you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Till next time.